Hey guys, we are at the 7th night of the Very Merry Christmas Party. This is our first time this year coming. We are very excited. We love the Christmas parties. Yay. So we're gonna go have some Christmassy fun. I got my Christmas shirt on. She has her Joy. Is that what it says, Joy?
No, it's actually my initials of my name.
Oh, okay. It's her initials. I can't really read it from the side. But we're gonna have some fun, so come join our adventure. Oh yeah. And of course, we have to come this way for the Very Merry Christmas Party. Yeah! Yeah, you gotta show your wristband. I'm super excited. We're here. Oh, there's a DJ. Yeah!
Well, welcome, folks. Lots of fun things happening all night long. You know all about it. Check out this grocery store. This guy. You're excited about cookies, right?
I love cookies. And then we gotta get our first thing, which is the ornament. Thank you very much. Yay! It's a toy soldier. This is really cool. I like this one. I like this one. Last year, or the last time we were here, was a snowflake. This year, it's this. And he's right there. Look. Boom. Real life. Then we got some people on some stilts. They look like snowflakes. They're so pretty. Yay. I love that there's all sorts of Christmas music playing back there. Get you in the Christmassy mood as soon as you come in. And then they have some special picture photo pass area. That's really cool. Season's greetings. So I am super excited for this party tonight. We have not been to a Christmas party like this in a while. So yeah, I'm really excited. Really excited. And of course, we have to ride the People Mover, no matter if it's during the day or a party, because it's the People Mover, and that's my favorite thing to do here. Okay, I lied. We're not going to ride the People Mover because it closed. So now we're going to figure out something else to do. So in between 6 and 7 o'clock, it's a very awkward time at the party because there's not, that you can still do the Disney stuff, but you can't do the party stuff yet. So we're just waiting to do the party stuff. So we're gonna go look at some of the merchandise. These are adorable. How much are those? I don't even know. Let's see. It doesn't tell me. Why doesn't it ever tell me? I don't know. It doesn't tell me. Probably about $40. Usually that's how much they are, right? And you have the Very Merry Christmas Party merchandise over here. That's a cool lounge fly. And then you have Holiday Magic shirt. Let's see what else is over here. Is that an ornament? Yep, an ornament. Right there. A kid shirt. And you can only get 2 SKUs per guest, so you can't like buy them all up and try to sell them later. And then they have this Joy to the World Spirit jersey for the Very Merry Christmas Party. Yeah, it has Mickey and Minnie down there. And then you got the pass holder shirt, like they always have. It's really cute. And then there's a pin, Christmas Party pin. Yeah, it's cute. So she ended up getting the pass holder t-shirt and the Spirit jersey. Those are really, really fun. She was going to get the long sleeve shirt and then switched up to the Spirit jersey because she liked it better. And I don't blame her. I like the Spirit jersey too. It was very sparkly, very sparkly. We got the turkey burger with stuffing and cranberry chutney. And the cake. It's a cookie cake. Yeah, looks really good. I can't wait to eat this. Looks really, really, really good. That turkey burger is delightful. It was, the flavors in it are really, really good. The turkey burger was really juicy. Yeah, that's definitely a very good burger.
Excellent.
Excellent. Now we have to try the cake. But we're going to eat the burger first, and then we're going to try the cake. So we have tried the cake. It's supposed to be a cookie cake, it says, but it tastes just like a regular cake. It's good. It's a good cake, but it doesn't have like cookie flavor to it, or maybe it's just supposed to look like a Christmas cookie. Maybe, I guess. I don't know, but it tastes good. So, yeah, there you go. Okay. Oh, I forgot.
Halloween. And we are about to have a dance party that is going on all night long here, y'all. And listen,
I have never seen this stage go up like this.
you never know who it could be. It could be Bluey and Bingo. It could be Spidey. It could be Doc McStuffins. I don't know. You just gotta wait and see. So this is what I need everybody to do. All the kids who are here, I need you guys to back up and get on the dance floor, because the dance floor is open, y'all.
It's 7 o'clock, so what does that mean? The party has begun. Let's do this. In our first official Very Merry Christmas party stop. It's Space Mountain. Yeah! So during the Christmas party, this is a whole new ride. It's not just the normal Space Mountain. They actually have Christmas lights and Christmas songs and all sorts of stuff. I'm super ready for this. So just letting you know that if you do have a DAS pass, which is a disability pass, it does work during the Christmas party. All you have to do is wait for 7 o'clock to roll around, and then the app will reset, and then as soon as 7 o'clock hits, you can start making DAS pass return times.
Safety. Keep your hands off the handle or inside the vehicle and remain seated while they're loading. You are clear for launch. Space shuttle. Keep your hands off the handle or inside the
fun as always. Now we're gonna go check out the dance party that's going on over in Tomorrowland. And now that the party started, the People Mover's back open. Yeah, we've made it on the People Mover. It didn't go down this time. Also, make sure you get a park map because it tells you all the times for the shows, so you won't miss anything. It also tells you all the fun, different things they have, and the food. So make sure you get a park map for the party as well. And you have the Tomorrowland Speedway in all its glory that we're going to be going on next. That's going to be so much fun. And Tron is even open too, and we're going to be doing that tonight as well, because we haven't done it in the dark in a very, very long time. And no party is, a party without getting some of the free stuff, right? It's free, so we need to get it. And at this one, there's delicious cookies and apple cider. So this year, instead of the normal bands that they put on you, they gave you these like cloth bands. I actually like them a lot better. They're not as stiff, so they don't hurt your wrist as bad, and they're probably going to be a lot easier to take off because it's like a little like zip tie looking thing. So it can't really be a party night either with it out actually raining, and it's raining, but it's not like real rain. It's like a really annoying mist that's throughout the air, and it's not coming straight down. It's like blowing from different directions. And we were gonna ride the Speedway, but because of the stupid, annoying mist, we're gonna go ride Buzz Lightyear instead. We're in the Starlight Cafe now, and they have snickerdoodles and hot chocolate. Yay! I love snickerdoodles and hot chocolate. We're braving the rain, and we're just doing it. We're just doing it, even if it's raining. Still doing it. I love this. We're just a little wet. I can't really see out of my glasses because of the mist. So I'm kind of like driving blind here. Other than the mist, that was a lot of fun. I like seeing all the lights. And now we're gonna go do the teacups because that has a holiday overlay too. And that looks like a lot of fun. And she's gonna get really dizzy. Are you ready? She's gonna be so dizzy after this because I'm gonna spin the crap out of it. She stopped me from spinning so fast. Next up on our list of things to do is the Friar's Nook because it has a special milkshake. And it sounds yummy. So we got the toasted coconut milkshake. It's called the Winter Milkshake. It's coconut milk, toasted coconut, and whipped cream with pearls on top of it. Looks good. Okay, let's have a sip of our coconut. Very thick. They're really good. It's really good. It's hard to get up the straw, right?
That is good.
Yeah.
Just that hint of coconut.
Yeah. Like toasted marshmallow, a little bit. Yeah.
Very winter.
Yes. Yes. That's why they call it the winter milkshake, I guess. So it might be a little unorthodox, but I suggest getting a spoon for this milkshake because the straws, the way the milkshake is, I guess, the coconut maybe, it's like very airy and it barely lets you get any of the thing up. But with the spoon, it's very good. Okay, we made it to our next treat stop. Let's see what they have in here in a Pinocchio. Okay, let's see what's here. What is it? Yeah. Thank you. Okay, we got a red velvet cookie and more hot chocolate. The red velvet cookie looks good. I love red velvet stuff. Yummy. So I forgot to show you guys, we got a popcorn bucket, a Mickey popcorn bucket. And he's a Nutcracker toy soldier. Or, yeah, he's a toy soldier thing. It's really cool. There's a trumpet. And a feather on top of his hat. And his popcorn comes right out here. Right out his back. How cool is that? That's really cool. And then There's a Mickey. That's really cool. I like this popcorn bucket. We've got our spot for the fireworks and maybe the parade. We're not sure yet, but yeah, it's gonna be fun.
Welcome, everyone, and thank you so much for being here. We're just thrilled to be with all of you this season. Oh, it's my favorite time of the year. And you know what? With all of us together, I just know something wonderful is about to happen. You see, the best parts of the holidays truly are the special moments, like this one, that we share with special friends. We take these moments and we turn them into memories. Memories we can cherish forever and ever.
Fireworks were amazing, as always. You like those fireworks?
It's awesome.
Yeah. And now we're waiting for the parade in about 30 minutes. So, yeah, about 30 minutes left.
Here we go. They'll sing with you. Don't forget. Ho, ho, ho. Hey, Santa Claus. Ho, ho, ho. Christmas makes us feel so good. So good, so good, so good. We know it's because ho, ho, ho. Make us feel the way we should. Dear Santa. One more time, this guy's making the video. Hey, Santa Claus. Ho, ho, ho. Christmas makes us feel so good. So good, so good, so good. We know it's because ho, ho, ho. You make
really like that parade. It's a very fun parade. I think I might like it better than the Boo to You parade just because of the smells. The smells are delightful in that parade. Like, most of the parade smells delicious. Like, I would eat every single one of those floats if I could and they were edible. But yeah, I think we might go do a couple more things because it's almost time to leave, unfortunately. So let's go find out what else we can do. So we got to ride Tron. We got to ride that together. We never get to ride it together. And at night. And I just really like at night. And I like the front row, and that's what we got. So we had a really good time on that ride. And I'm pretty sure the party's over now. Very sad. Well, that was a fun night at the Mickey's Very Merry Christmas Party. I hope you guys enjoyed the video. If you did, make sure you give it a like and subscribe to the channel to see more videos like this in the future. So, I will see you guys next time. Remember to love yourselves and each other. Bye-bye.
What? No,
Hey,
no, not him.
pick me.
No,
Pick me over here. Hey,
me.
No,
This
no,
video.
not
Watch
him.
this video next.
Pick me.
Not
Pick me.
him. This one.
Get,
This one.
Watch this video.
Don't
Watch this
want
video.
it.
Pick me.
Would you
Pick me. Pick me.
Watch this one. Click
But
on this
no, no,
one.
no, not him. Not him.
No,
Pick
you
me.
want
Pick me.
to.
Right here, right here, right here, right here.
Come on.
Right here, right here, right here, right here.
Come
Pick
on.
this. Pick this. Pick this. Pick this.